Hello friends, today we are going to see how to add multiple WhatsApp messages in your iPhone. This is very simple. Here I already have my personal WhatsApp account, first WhatsApp account, which is already configured and working. In addition to this, if I want to add one more WhatsApp, what I have to do is I have to go to Apple Store and type WhatsApp Business. So here you will get WhatsApp Business account. So this one you have to download. Now the download of the second WhatsApp is started. Wait until it is finished. Now the second WhatsApp is downloaded. Now click on the second WhatsApp. So here you will get a welcome note. Welcome to WhatsApp Business. You can simply agree and continue. Like to send you notifications, you can click on allow, and it's asking whether to use the existing number or to use a different number. Select use a different number. Here enter your secondary WhatsApp number and then click on done or next. Is your phone number above correct? Yes. Now enter the code which is received on the secondary number. If you want to restore your WhatsApp to cloud, click on restore, or else you can just skip. So here I am clicking on the skip button. Are you sure you want to skip restoring from iCloud? Yes, skip restore. So here you can give any business name. For example, I am giving engineering. Business category, science, technology and engineering. Click on next. Export business tools, it is not required. You can simply click not now. WhatsApp Business would like to access your contacts. Click on yes and OK. Finally, click on start messaging. Now we can verify the secondary WhatsApp. So I'm going to the first WhatsApp and I'm going to send a text to the second WhatsApp. So I'm setting test message. So here I got the notification in the secondary one. So here we got the notification and the text message is received. That's it friends. By this way you can run 2 WhatsApp messages on your same iPhone. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe for more useful upcoming videos. Thank you.